Your 3D models may look unrealistic and they may lack some kind of context if they are just floating around like this in your final render. So to change this into professional looking something like this, I'll show you how you can create a seamless background to make your final 3D model renders to look more professional and studio like output. So let's get started. So to get started, I have here my model on the left side, and also I have a second screen with the camera activated so that I can follow up on the effect that I'm doing on this side. So what I need is first the camera, and then we need to add a plane. So let's add a plane. I'll move the plane to somewhere around here. Okay, so I'll make this render view. Alright, now it's currently still black, but as we apply effects, you'll see this changing. Okay, so we can resize the plane. I can rotate it just, I want the background to be this one straight. Okay, so tab into edit mode, then into edge selection, then select this part and extrude along the Z. Okay, now select this one. Now we can bevel this, Control B, like this. Add some subdivisions. Okay, now go back to object mode. Okay, let's go to solid view, and now it has some kind of lines here. So to remove those, we can shade smooth. Now everything is smooth. Okay, so the next thing we can add is light source. I'll add area, then bring it up somewhere around here. Usually 1 meter is requested for the height of the source of light. Or maybe 2 meters sometimes. Okay, so we can increase the size of the light source and maybe the power also. Maybe I'll increase this a bit. Okay. So for base effect, we can try different light orientations. Okay, this one looks good. This, if you want, this may be enough, but I want to light up the background also. I want it to be bright. So we can duplicate this light, Shift D, then We can move it like this. Okay. Yeah, this looks fine. Okay, now you can see the background where we made the U curve. It's not visible on this one because it's smooth now, and it seems like there is a uniform background. So that's the advantage of this. So this gives it a more professional look, studio-like look, instead of just your object, your 3D model floating around, and may not be uh, that may not look realistic. But in this case, when you add a light source and a backdrop like this, it gives it a more professional look. So let's render this out and check it out. Before that, let me change this to cycle. Okay, I'll reduce the numbers. Okay, maybe it's a little bit too bright. Maybe I'll decrease the volume. Okay, that seems fine. So I'll render this out and let's see what it looks like. Oh, the plane is the bottom. Maybe I need to raise it. Okay, let's render this out again. Yeah, this one looks significantly better than the previous one. There is a little bit shadow there, that's fine. And the background is more, there is more contrast now. If you want, you can add more light source. You need it to be more bright than this, or create some shadow effects if you want also. Yeah, so this is our final render, and you can do this with your 3D models, and this will make them look more professional. Alright, so that's all for today's tip on Blender. So if you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and I'll see you next time with another Blender tutorial. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.